Now, sometimes what they'll do is they'll give you a variance or a standard deviation or something like that, and I'll ask you to do a lot of other calculations based on it. But it's all based on this idea of a variance being to probability. So, say given a variance of 0.21, you're asked to calculate a probability test and then an expected value as well. So, based on this, what you need to use the formula for this. So, we know that variance of x equals p times 1 minus p. So in this case, we've got 0.21. So we'll have 0.21 equals p 1 minus p. If we expand this, we'll end up with p minus p squared. And then we can rearrange this to make it a polynomial set to 0. So we'll have negative p squared plus p minus 0.21 equals 0. So now we can apply the quadratic equation, or we can just plug it into CAS. Either or will work just fine. And what we'll find is that p equals either 0.3 or 0.7. So you take one of either of those two values. Now, based on that, sometimes I give you some information. One thing I haven't written in the question is I haven't said that p is greater than 1 minus p. So that being the case, p is bigger than 1 minus p, so therefore p equals 0.7. And now in our Bernoulli distribution, so if that's 0.7, then our excessive value is also going to be 0.7. So these are the steps we take if we're given a variance. If we're given a standard deviation, well then we'd have to do an extra calculation to find the variance first. But they're the steps that we take. Variance, remember variance can be expressed as this. And from there we just do our calculations.